Welcome to today's review of the Bank of America Travel Rewards credit card. We will dive into its key features, pros, and potential drawbacks so you can decide if it is the right fit for you. First up, earning rewards. You will get 1.5 points for every dollar spent, which is a solid average compared to other travel cards. Plus, there is a 25,000 point bonus worth $250 in travel or dining credits after spending $1,000 in the first 90 days. These points never expire, so you can save them and redeem whenever you are ready. Redemption options are also flexible. You can use your points for travel related expenses like airfare or hotels, but it doesn't stop there. The card allows redemptions for broader travel categories like amusement parks, zoos, and even art galleries, giving you more ways to benefit from your rewards. If you are a part of Bank of America Preferred Rewards program, you can boost your earnings depending on your tier, which is based on your average daily balance across Bank of America or Merrill accounts. You could earn up to 75% more points. That's 2.625 points per dollar spent at higher tier. The card also offers a 0% intro APR on both purchases and balance transfers for the first 18 months. This can be helpful if you need time to pay off large expenses without accruing interest, as long as you stay on top of your payments. After the intro period, your APR will adjust based on your creditworthiness, ranging from 19.24% to 29.24%. Be aware that balance transfers and cash advances come with a 3% fees, and if you miss a payment, there is a $40 late fee as well. However, the card comes with no foreign transaction fees, making it convenient for international travelers. Additionally, there is no annual fee, so it's easy to keep long term without worrying about extra cost. Now, if I talk about the pros of this particular card, then you get 25,000 points bonus after spending $1,000 within the first 90 days. Flexible redemption options for travel, including more than just flights and hotels. No annual fee and no foreign transactions fees. 0% intro APR for 18 months on purchases and balance transfers. Now, with the benefits keeping in mind, there are some drawbacks as well. So the 1.5 points per dollar rate is average, with other cards offering 2 points or more. Redeeming for cashback gives you only about 60% of the value as compared to the travel redemptions. You will need a good to excellent credit score that typically ranges from 670 or higher to qualify for this card. So in order to apply for it, you just have to come to this page, and I will put the link of this page down in the description. So you can click on it and come here. Once you click on apply, you will be redirected on the page where your application process will be started. So you need to provide your personal details like your first name, last name, your address details, city details, home address, your phone number, etc. And you need to press continue. After that, you just have to follow the 4-step process in order to apply for this card. If you are eligible for it, then you will get your card within 2 weeks at your home. So the Bank of America Travel Rewards credit card is a great option if you are looking for a no annual fee card with flexible travel rewards, the added perks for Bank of America customers, and the broad definition of travel expenses make this card worth considering for both everyday purchases and vacations. So if you are interested, be sure to review the card's terms and conditions to see if it fits your financial needs. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more credit card reviews and financial tips. Thank you so much for watching again.